Sitting silently under these studio lights, the surface looks completely pristine. But that heavy, aggressive posture hints at an enormous amount of kinetic energy waiting to be unleashed. This fluid dynamics visualization shows exactly how that energy is managed. The front grille and lower fascia perform two opposing tasks at once. They ingest a massive thermal load to keep the engine cool, while the specific geometry slips the rest of the oncoming air right over the hood to keep drag down. Follow those vector lines to the back. The descending curve of the roofline is mathematically modeled to keep that airflow attached at high speeds, preventing drag-inducing turbulence from forming behind the tailgate. Every aggressive angle you see here is a deliberate equation. It is engineered to defeat wind resistance long before the ignition is even pressed. Pushing that kind of power to the ground requires serious lateral stability. You get that through track width. A wider stance mechanically increases a vehicle's resistance to cornering forces. This rear profile verifies its lineage. The signature LED taillight bar, SRT badging, and quad exhaust layout guarantee immense engine breathing capacity. Beneath that exhaust, the lower diffuser elements actively channel underbody airflow upward. That creates the necessary downforce to keep the rear tires heavily planted when applying heavy throttle. The entire rear geometry points to a dedicated high-performance platform operating inside the shell of a luxury carrier. Moving inside, the cabin is built entirely around driver-centric command. The premium leather and refined touchpoints stand in sharp contrast to the sheer mechanical hostility sitting just a few feet forward under the hood. The steering wheel grip and tactile paddle shifters are positioned so hands never need to move. They provide instant physical feedback from the transmission on every upshift. Look at this split-screen comparison of wheel mass. By using forged alloys, engineers drastically reduce unsprung weight at the corners. Less mass means the suspension can react instantly to road imperfections and keep the tire firmly on the pavement. In a vehicle this powerful, true luxury is having the precise ergonomic control required to harness all that violence safely. Everything we've examined, the aerodynamic exterior and the highly controlled interior, works together beautifully in a pristine, controlled environment. Beneath the body panels lies a skeleton of high-strength steel. It forms a remarkably rigid cage that serves as the physical foundation for both crash safety and tight, predictable handling. But theoretical engineering is notoriously fragile. The precise math calculated in a laboratory often falls apart the moment it encounters the unpredictable variables outside. It is an undisputed masterpiece on paper. The real question is whether this machine can survive the absolute brutality of the real world. Out here on the open road, all that static potential instantly converts into aggressive forward momentum. At extreme velocities, those aerodynamic equations from the studio hold up perfectly. The roofline and rear diffuser perform exactly as designed, keeping the heavy chassis utterly planted. Dive into a high-speed corner and heavy lateral G-forces immediately push back. That wide stance and the adaptive suspension actively counteract the body roll, pressing the tires hard into the pavement. On predictable paved surfaces, the machine executes its core programming without hesitation, delivering performance metrics that rival dedicated sports cars. Take it off the pavement and into loose desert sand and mechanical grip vanishes. Forward progress is immediately threatened. This overhead view shows how the drivetrain compensates. The active torque vectoring system analyzes slippage in milliseconds. It dynamically cuts power to a spinning rear left wheel and routes it straight to the gripping front right wheel. Push into a wet, dense jungle environment, and the hardware faces a completely different test. Plunging through a deep, muddy trench requires heavy articulation and extreme suspension travel to keep moving forward. The true triumph of this engineering is the algorithmic intelligence and structural integrity required to conquer these chaotic physical forces. Bringing it to a halt in the dirt, the contrast is stark. The pristine silhouette we started with is now covered in dust and mud. We analyzed the aerodynamic and structural math in the sterile vacuum of the studio, and then mercilessly tested those limits across asphalt, loose sand, and deep mud. Typically, the physics required for high-speed tarmac stability and those needed for deep terrain articulation are mutually exclusive. By merging active traction algorithms with this rigid structural geometry, the vehicle maintains the same level of mechanical precision regardless of the surface.